In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage Smartsheet subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to review your plan, update your payment method or billing details, and make sure everything saves correctly. First, start by logging into your Smartsheet account in a web browser. Use the same credentials you normally do, and if your organization uses single sign-on, just follow that prompt. A quick note before we continue: only the billing contact or a system admin can make subscription changes. If you don't see the options I'm about to show, you might need to ask your admin for access. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen for your account or profile icon. It's typically a small avatar or your initials. Click that to open a drop-down menu. From there, select Plan and Billing Info. This is your central hub for everything related to your subscription. On the Plan and Billing Info page, you'll see an overview of your current plan, including your tier, any seat or license counts, your renewal or billing date, and your current payment method. You can also find billing contact information and, in many cases, a link to view past invoices or receipts for your records. Take a moment to review the details so you know what's currently active. If you need to update your plan, look for options to adjust the plan tier or the number of users. Changes here may take effect immediately and can be prorated, which means charges might reflect only the time remaining in your billing cycle. If you're growing your team, make sure you increase the seat count to avoid access interruptions. Next, if you want to change your payment method, select the option to edit or update it. Add your new card details carefully and make sure the billing address matches what your bank has on file to avoid declines. It's also a good idea to confirm that your billing email is current, so renewal notices and receipts go to the right place. To update your billing details, edit the company name, address, and any tax or VAT information your finance team requires. Accurate billing details help ensure your invoices are compliant and ready for accounting. When everything looks correct, save your changes. Look for a Save, Update, or Submit button, and wait for the confirmation message to appear. Give the page a quick refresh and verify that your updated plan, payment method, or billing information now shows correctly. That's it, you've successfully managed your Smartsheet subscription from start to finish.